Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Netspend reward account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Netspend rewards login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link rewards.netspend.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to load in. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the login page of Netspend reward. Scroll down a bit. Over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your login information, just click on forgot your login information. If you are new to site, you'll need to create an account. Start enjoying the benefits of being a Netspend online rewards member. Just click on create a new account to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.